Wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and browses her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful. And everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love lights in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just can't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got an aching head. So I give her the car keys, and she helps me to bed. And then I tell her, I say turn out the light, and I say yes, you were wonderful tonight. Oh my darling,